This lovely home is located in southern Brunswick County in the coastal town of Southport. Relax and unwind on this spacious rocking chair porch. Relax in the open living area with hardwood floors, a vaulted ceiling, and a gas log fireplace. The accommodating kitchen features ample counter space, all the necessary amenities, and a center prep island. Sunlight floods this charming breakfast area. Entertain family and friends in this lovely dining room. The vaulted ceiling and fan give this master suite an open and airy appeal. Sweet dreams are guaranteed in this secluded bedroom. The remaining bedrooms have neutral wall-to-wall carpeting. The bright and airy bedrooms supply plenty of natural light. The skylights are a wonderful addition to this room, providing extra sunlight. Enjoy your morning coffee in this comfortable screened porch. Enjoy a family cookout or entertain friends from the back deck of this home. Make this unique and stunning waterfront paradise your new home.